better, I promise it will. Listen, anytime you need a shoulder to cry on, you just give me a call, okay? All right, bye-bye.
Oh, honey, what's wrong?
I was just talking with Julie. Her youngest is leaving for Harvard. Pre-med.
She's taking it hard, is she?
Yeah. And it just makes me think of our situation.
Yeah, I understand. But honey, as everyone knows, you have a baby, soft and sweet, with tiny hands and dimple feet. They turn 18 just like a shot, and then they leave for college. Hey, Mom! When you're done folding my laundry, could you take it up to my room? Hey, peace. Ours did not. Some kids are pre-med at Harvard. Some are future Yale alums. Some with success turn to Duke or Western. Some are just bums.
Some students train to be lawyers.
Other youngsters learn life.
Straight A's are garnered by some kids at Harvard.
Some suck you dry. It's your fault you spoke him to way too late.
It's your fault you never had a spine.
It's your fault you breastfed till he was 8.
7!
9! Others get a PhD.
Some go to IU.
And others NYU. Some go to MIT. But our kid goes to KFC. Dad, can I borrow the car? Thanks. I'll drive careful. You know, there's really no need. Some parents are having parties.
Some are having sex again.
Ha! Some spend their Sundays at home in their undies, or some roast beyond them. Lord, we should have used the crocodile. Kids are curing diseases. Other children dare to dream. But patience has been here. If he comes back in here, God in heaven, I will walk down. No, listen. I know it's been difficult with me living here and all. But my girlfriend Amy and I have decided we're going to live together. Amy, come on in. Welcome home. Hey, Amy, let's go to the movies.
It might be the last movie I see before the twins is born.
Don't wait up. Will we ever get any rest?